Hi there, this is RR and I'll be answering this question. Okay pa din po ba ang IT opportunity sa Canada? If wala po experience, ano pong pwede nyo ma-recommend na program? Pwede i-take dito sa PH para makapag-work po dyan. I personally think that IT opportunities are still okay here in Canada. Marami po tayong mga roles na open. It would really depend on the industries and the skills na meron ka. So, yung IT naman in any industry pwede. Pwede ka sa retail, non-retail, high-tech, logistics, pharmaceuticals. So, iba't ibang industries ang pwede mong pasukan and it would really depend kung anong skills ang meron kang pwedeng i-contribute sa mga companies na may openings. So, for the programs na ire-recommend ko, I believe these are just some na pwede mong i-pursue in the Philippines para makakuha rin ng experience, no? So first is yung software engineering. So those na merong jobs as a software engineer or developer, or let's say yung mga programmers, really depends, no, kung skilled ka sa pagpo-program or pagko-code. I think isa ito sa mga in-demand na role dito sa Canada. We can use your skills dun sa tinatawag nating express entry. Meron silang tinatawag na category-based draw. So yung category-based draw for for skilled IT professionals, pwedeng mag-apply doon. So meron tayong code for software engineer here. And then next is yung mga nag-specialize sa cybersecurity. Kasi nga in demand din yung mga may skills sa cybersecurity because of the increasing cyber threats na meron, and companies do need data protection. Next is data scientist or analyst. So syempre yung mga may skills sa AI or artificial intelligence, machine learning and business intelligence, pwede ring mag-apply. Next is yung mga DevOps engineer natin. They are crucial for managing infrastructure and streamlining yung mga developments ng mga companies, no? Next is yung may skills sa machine learning. They are, I think, one of the most rapidly growing roles in the different companies, dahil yung mga companies is nag-i-invest sa automation. Next is yung cloud architects or engineers. Marami-raming opportunities for those na may skills dun sa sa cloud, especially kung may alam ka sa AWS, Azure or Google Clouds. So magandang opportunity yun for you. Next is yung mga may skills sa project management, yung mga IT project managers. Na katulad ko, may experience sa project management. Need yon for helping organizations manage complex projects in the technology industry. So maraming mga companies yung nangangailangan ng project managers. Next is yung mga business analyst. So business systems analyst or systems analyst, they are very helpful sa pagbe-bridge ng gap between business needs and technology services. So yung mga may skills sa business systems analysis, I guess makakahanap kayo ng mga opportunities din dito sa Canada. Next is yung may mga skills sa database administration, yung mga tinatawag nating database analysts or administrators. They're crucial for managing company data and security. And lastly, yung mga may experience sa pagmamanage ng computer systems or information systems in general. So yung mga may senior roles, yung may mga matagal na experience sa pagmamanage ng different systems, computer systems, information systems. So those are also in demand. So ayun po yung top 10, and sana makatulong. Sana pag-isipan po natin ng maigi kung ano po yung opportunities na available and see if yung skills na meron tayo would match those opportunities. So yun lang po. Thank you po for asking.